You're gonna love the 2018 Honda Civic. With less than 35,000 miles on the, you look smart and sporty in the Civic sedan. It packs sophisticated style, impressive fuel efficiency, powerful performance, and advanced safety and connectivity technology. Best of all, it's simply a joy to drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't settle. Get into the automotive icon that has earned its reputation for excellence over and over again. Drive the Honda Civic sedan.